Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we make custom Delrin seals. And these are spacers, but they can also be used as seals. Now, the nice thing about Delrin is that it's very moisture resistant, like most plastics. So if you have an application where something's wet and you need to use this as a spacer, perfectly fine. It won't absorb any moisture, therefore expand or contract. The other nice thing about Delrin is that it's very dimensionally stable. Think of it as the MDF of hardwoods. So Delrin, heated, cooled, whatever, it stays relatively the same. Other plastics might expand and contract, sort of like MDF. So the reason why MDF is used for almost all kitchen cabinetry is because it's dimensionally stable. It won't expand or contract with moisture too much once it's sealed. This is the same thing for the plastic world. Now the other thing is that it's relatively resistant. And you saw a lot of Delrin on the website, and you probably didn't notice it because we do a lot of embossing stamps with it. So what an embossing stamp is, you have a Delrin on the top, Delrin on the bottom, so you have a male and a female, and you put a piece of paper and you squish it down, and you end up with embossing on paper and other sort of thin materials. This is exactly the same stuff, it just happens to be black instead of the traditional white that you normally see. There are quite a few other advantages to using these Delrin spacers that we custom fabricate at CNCKing.com. Number one is they're lightweight. They're a lot lighter than aluminum or even steel. And there's also very little friction on the surface of it compared to those materials as well. The other massive advantage for a lot of large industrial plants is that their electrical insulation, they're non-conductive. So you don't have to worry about electricity jump or leapfrogging through different things to get through it. And we can totally customize it however you want. So that means if you want a different thickness, you want a different color, you want lots of little holes, some big holes, squares, rectangles, all that kind of stuff, it's absolutely not a problem for us to manufacture here in the shop for you. And because we have multiple platforms, we can also do different parts with different machines. So for instance, let's say you needed Delrin spacers that were 2 inches thick, we would definitely use the CNC router for that. And we can machine all the components we need for that. And then after that, we can go back onto the laser and do more fine tuning on things if that's what you required. The other nice thing about Delrin is that it's very temperature resistant. It keeps its strength and it doesn't deform if things get really cold or very hot as much as other plastics or other materials. And the advantage to that is if you're using, again, these for spacers for HVAC or that kind of stuff, you have some temperature variations. You don't have to worry about it too much with Delrin versus other materials. So how do you go about getting us to fabricate these for you? The easiest thing is to send us a digital file. So generally DXF, EPS, or preferably a PDF. And it's just a line drawing. You say, this needs to be, 330 seconds thick. We want to use black Delrin, which is what this is. And what we want is this to be cut out, how many units, and based on that we give you a price and we ship it basically right to your door from there. So it's a very straightforward process. There's nothing too complicated with it. Now of course we also made large pieces of Delrin spacers for this project as well. And the reason why we use the laser is because there's sharp inner corners. When there's circles like this can be done with a router or a laser, it doesn't really matter. But when you have something like this here, use my face as contrast here. See the sharp inner corner? You just can't do that with a router. So that's why I just use the laser for the whole thing. And I have a wonderful laser, CO2 cuts it totally fine. Now one of the things you got to be careful about with Delrin is that it releases formaldehyde gas when you laser cut it. It's not good for your lungs or your machine. There's quite a few things that you shouldn't be doing with certain machines, and that's probably one of them. But I have a really powerful blower and extraction system here in the shop, and it sucks out the fumes before they're even generated. So I'm not too worried about that. It's sort of like a cost-benefit ratio when you have machinery. You're doing stuff that probably isn't the best for it, but you could do a lot of mitigation things so that it's sort of okay, but still not good, so to speak. So if you're looking for custom Delrin projects, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll make it for you and ship it right to your door.